Once again, and today we're going to learn about the polar grid. We did the rectangular tool just some time ago. We are going to do now the polar grid tool, which is just found in this tool. All the tools are found on the left over here, and this segment is just right click here to see what is found in this portion over here. And the polar grid is the last tool on this list over here. So you just go down here and you just click, it activates this point over here, and you just drag on my space like that. But you can see it still does not have how can we also draw pie charts? You can use this tool to draw pie charts, representation and infographics. So if you do that, unless we come down here, then you activate this. So these are strokes. Now if you click outside, you cannot see them, but if you select and you come and click over here like that, now they can be visible. Increasing, you just come at the corner. If you see this double arrow, you press Shift Alt on my keyboard, then drag up. So if you select like that, that is increasing. Then moving is selection and moving like that. If I want to change the color of this outer circle only, you just use this and you click that, and you come here, double click, you do that, it will take color like that. If I want to change the color of this second circle again, double click, come here, do that, and you do that. This one again, don't use the selection tool, use this direct selection because it only takes one shape at a time. So if you click that, then you click and click there again, come, this is called the fill X, double click, then come here, you click that, you have that. So that is how you make it colorful. Also that one, double click over there, come there, you click that, like that. Also this one, direct selection tool, click here, make sure the stroke is still active, but make sure the fill, you click it to let it be at the front, then double click that, and you come to this point again, and reddish maybe there, and you do that. So it becomes colorful like that. Then if I want to remove this line only, you can just click it, right click and ungroup, then you can do that. Also this one is still a group, you can remove all like that. You can see control Z, command Z, command plus Z, or control plus Z on PC. So that's how we draw that on Mac. To go back like that, then this one command Z or control Z, like that, like that. So we do that on PC, on Mac. So if you do that, then you return this here, it fits over there. So that is the way it was. Right click, group. If you want to remove all the strokes, you can click that and remove group, remove everything like that, it becomes like that. Yeah, if you want to remove only this one, you can use direct selection, take that, remove that, take that, remove that. Control Z is going back. But I can also remove these circles by that. Delete, press here, do that, delete, 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 like that, so you have that representation as well. This one you can do that, and alt click like that, you can bring it there, then rotate, come here, rotate like that, then you do that like that. Oh, that's how we do that. And the other option also is you can come here on this tool, click it and click on the space. It will give you how you want it to be. If you want 4 here, you adjust there. I want it to look 4 here, like that. You adjust over here, and if you want, then you do that. It will give you what you want, and it is like that. Now you can now increase it like that. So you can either shift on my keyboard, control shift, and drag direct like that to create that. Color is here, double click, click there, it will give you color like that. Deleting is direct selection with this, and you just click one at the edge over there and you delete on my keyboard. I can also delete this one, delete. Going back is Command Z or Control Z to where I was. Removing also this circle only is this one. You select direct selection, select that and you delete. Changing color is taking that, double click on the fill, come here, you click here, it will change to blue. Wow, that is how we do that. And you can also add stroke size. If you do that, the stroke of this, select all, select, add like that. That is stroke size. And reducing like that. And removing is bring the stroke and do none like that. Return back is like that. So that's how we use the polar grid tool. It is used to represent data and infographics of many areas. So thank you for watching. And the next tool we shall go to is maybe the gradient tool, and the rest of the tool we shall learn as we keep on going. Thank you for watching and see you next time.